First problem. If Q is the foot of the perpendicular from a point P on the parabola, y square is equal to 8 into x minus 3 to its directrix. S is the focus of the parabola, and if SPQ is an equilateral triangle, then find the length of the side of the triangle. So given that Q is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from a point on the parabola to its directrix. So here one parabola is given, that is y square is equals to 8 into x minus 3. When we compare this equation with y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h, then what we get, the value of k is equals to 0 here and h is equals to 3 and 4a is equals to 8, then the value of a is equals to 2. So here clearly we have that vertex is equal to 3, 0. This is the vertex and focus is equals to this equation we take the focus formula as h plus a comma k, that is h plus a 3 plus 2, that is 5, 0. Now this is the focus and this is the vertex. Now first we take the diagram of the parabola. Now this is the parabola y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. This is the directrix, axis of parabola, focus, vertex, S shape, that is the foot of the perpendicular from focus to the directrix. Now here already we know that the distance between these 2 points is equals to a and the distance between these 2 points is equals to a. That is here a is equals to 2. So this distance is equals to 2. Then this distance is also equals to 2. So total distance is equal to 4 here. What is the given data? Q is the foot of the perpendicular from a point P on the parabola to its directrix. First we take one point P on the parabola and Q is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from a point on the parabola to its directrix. Now this is the directrix. So here Q is the foot of the perpendicular. Now S is the focus of the parabola. So here already we take that S is the focus of the parabola. And also given that SPQ is an equilateral triangle. That is SPQ. This is the equilateral triangle. Already we know that this total angle is equals to 90 degrees. This is the foot of the perpendicular to the directrix. So this angle is equals to 90 degrees. So since it is equilateral triangle means this angle is equals to 60 degrees. So total is equals to 90 and this value is equal to 60. Then the remaining value is equals to 30 degrees. Now we want the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. Length of the side of the equilateral triangle means we want to find the length of the side of the triangle. Means we want to find the value of either PQ or SP or SQ since all are same. So here we consider the triangle SQZ. Now from this triangle we take the sin 30 value. That is sin 30 is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite value is equals to 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by hypotenuse is equals to SQ. Now what is SQ? SQ is nothing but the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. That is SQ is equals to, here just we are entering these two values, then SQ is equals to 4 into 4 by sin 30. SQ is equals to 4 by sin 30. That is 4 by 1 by 2 equals to 8. That is here the length of the side of the equilateral triangle is equals to 8. That's all. That's the answer. Here first we write the given parabola equation, that is y square is equals to 8 into x minus 3, and next we compare this equation with y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. Then the values of k, h, a are k is equals to 0. Here there is no value. In place of k we take that k is equals to 0. And 4a is equals to 8, then the value of a is equals to 2. 4a equals to 8 and a is equals to 2. And the value of h is equals to 3. Therefore, vertex is equals to vertex h comma k is equals to 3, 0. And already from the diagram we know that a is equals to SA. SA is nothing but a. So SA is equals to 2. Then which implies AZ is equals to 2. Since these two values are equal, therefore SZ is equals to 2 plus 2, 4. Here we know that A is equal to SE, that is 2. Here A is equals to 2, then SE is equals to 2. Since SE is equal to AZ, both values are equal, AZ is equals to 2. Therefore SZ is equals to 2 plus 2, that is 4. And from the triangle SQZ, take the value of sin 30. SQZ, the value of sin 30 is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is SZ by SQ, which implies sin 30. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equals to SZ. What is SZ value? 4 by SQ. Now taking the cross product, SQ is equals to 8. But what is SQ? SQ is nothing but the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. Therefore, length of side of equilateral triangle is equals to 8. That's all. That's the required answer. The cable of a uniformly loaded suspension bridge hangs in the form of the parabola. The roadway, which is horizontal and 72 meters long, is supported by the vertical lines attached to the cable, the longest being 30 meters and the shortest being 6 meters. Find the length of the supporting wire attached to the roadway 18 meters from the middle. This is a given question. So, the cable of a uniformly loaded suspension bridge hangs in the form of the parabola. This is the cable of the bridge. Cable of the uniformly loaded suspension bridge. Now, this is the cable of the bridge which is hanged in the form of the parabola, which hangs in the form of the parabola. This is a cable of the bridge which hangs in the form of the parabola. The roadway, which is horizontal and 72 meters long. This is the road. This is the roadway which is 72 meter long, given that the length of the road is equals to 72, and it is supported by the vertical lines. The cable of the bridge is supported by the vertical lines and it is attached to the road by the vertical lines. Now these are the vertical lines. These are the supporting vertical lines between the bridge and the road. Like that. These are the supporting lines between the bridge and the road. So, which is supported by the vertical wires attached to the cable. These are all the vertical wires attached to the cable and supported to the road. And the longest being 30 degrees and the shortest being 6 meters. These are all the vertical lines, and given that the length of the longest wire is equals to 30 and the length of the shortest wire is equals to 6. This is the shortest wire. Given that length of the shortest wire is equal to 6 and the length of the longest wire is equals to 30. Now, find the length of the supported wire attached to the roadway 18 meters from the middle. So, first we take the middle point of the bridge. This is the middle point of the bridge. At the middle point of the bridge, we are drawing one line which is parallel to the roadway. This is the line parallel to the roadway. This is the midpoint of the bridge. Now, find the length of the supporting wire attached to the roadway 18 meters from the middle. Now we are taking one point which is 18 meters from the middle. Suppose this is the point which is, suppose P, this is the point which is 18 meters distance from the middle point of the bridge. This is the point is at a distance of 18 meters from the middle point of the bridge. Now at this point find the length of the supporting wire. Now we want to find the length of this line, length of the supported line. So we want to find this length value. So that's the given question. Now clearly from the diagram we have that here length of the longest wire is equals to 30 and the length of the shortest wire is equals to 6. Now what is this value? This value is equals to 24. So 24 plus 6, total value is equals to 30. Total length is equals to 30. Already given that this value is equal to 6, then this value becomes 6. So the remaining part is equals to 24. Now first we take a point on the parabola. This is the point on the parabola. What are the coordinates of that point on the parabola? Without loss of generality, we are taking that this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Therefore clearly this is vertex is equals to 0, 0. And here this is the point on the parabola. So we take the coordinates of this point. Length of the road is equals to 72. Given that this total value is equal to 72. Then what is the half of the value? Half of the value is equal to 36. Here half value is equal to 36. Now what are the coordinates of this point? X-axis value is equals to 36 and y coordinate is equals to 24. Now what is the equation of this parabola? X square is equals to 4ay. Now we are replacing x comma y values in this equation to get the value of the 4a. Then we get the value. Now what we want the length of this supporting wire. Now we want to find the length of this part. So here we take this point coordinates here. Suppose this is Q point. Now we are taking the coordinates of Q here. Distance is equals to, here the distance on the x-axis is equals to 18. That is x coordinate is equals to 18. We don't know here the y coordinate, so we are taking that value is equals to y. Now we want to find the y value. So here y value is nothing but this value. Already we know that this value is equal to 6. Therefore, the length of the supporting wire is equal to here y plus 6. This is y coordinate. We are taking this part is equals to y. PQ is equals to y. So length of the supporting wire at this place is equals to y plus 6. Now we want to find the y value. To find that y value, simply we substitute this point 18 comma y in the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. then we will get the y value. After that we will take the length of the supporting wire, which is 5 plus 6. That's all. That's the problem. Here from the given diagram we take the equation of the parabola as x square is equal to 4ay, and here the 36,24 lies on the parabola, so we are substituting that point in this equation to get the value of a here. So since we take that point from the given data, here this value is equal to half of the value is equal to 36 and the length value is equal to 24. So we take the coordinates of that point is equal to 36, 24. Since a 36, 24 lies on the parabola, we substitute that point in this equation, that is x square 36 whole square. 36 whole square is equals to 4a into 24, that is 4a is equals to 36 into 36 by 24. Now 12 2s are 12 3s are. Now this is cancelled by 18 times. Therefore the value of 4a is equals to 54. Therefore equation of parabola is, we are replacing this value in the parabola equation. Therefore equation of parabola is x square is equals to 54y. X square is equal to 4ay, but 4a is equal to 54. That is x square is equal to 54y. Again we have that p is equals to 18, y is a point on the parabola. Now we are replacing that value here. Since p 18, y lies on the parabola, lies on x square is equals to 54y. Now we are replacing this point in this equation, that is x square 18 whole square. 18 whole square is equals to 54 into y. Therefore the value of y is equals to 18 into 18 by 54. 18 is cancelled by 3 times and this is cancelled by 6 times. Therefore the value of y is equals to 6. Now what we want? We want the value of the length of the supporting wire which is at a distance of 18 units from the middle point of the bridge. We want the length of the supported wire, that is we want the value of y plus 6. Therefore required value y plus 6 is equals to required value is equals to y plus 6. What is y value? Y is equals to 6. 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Therefore length of the supporting wire at this place is equals to 12. That's all.